Welcome back to Web Defender. Today we're going to discuss VPNs, or virtual private networks. Using a VPN is beneficial to your online safety and also helps ensure privacy while online. Please like and subscribe to stay informed about more videos as they become available. Okay, let's get started. Meet Sarah. She's a busy professional who's always on the go, whether it's at coffee shops, airports, or hotels. But Sarah is also aware of the risks of connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. That's why she's learned the importance of using virtual private networks, or VPNs. But what exactly are VPNs and how do they work? A VPN essentially creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the internet. This means that all the data you send and receive is encrypted, protecting it from prying eyes. But that's not all. VPNs also allow you to mask your IP address, making it appear as though you're accessing the internet from a different location. This can help protect your privacy and bypass geo-restrictions, allowing you to access content that may be blocked in your region. So how can Sarah start using a VPN? There are many VPN services available, each offering different features and pricing plans. It's important to choose a reputable VPN provider that prioritizes security and privacy. Once installed, using a VPN is as simple as turning it on and selecting a server location. And just like that, Sarah's internet connection is now secure and private. With her newfound understanding of VPNs, Sarah can confidently browse the internet, knowing that her data is safe and her privacy is protected. Stay safe and secure online with virtual private networks. Like and subscribe to get notified when more cybersecurity information is uploaded. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit webdefender.net for more cybersecurity tips. Link is in the description.